these are my nail inspo for this set. I'm really feeling this aura vibe. That's what I'm feeling for this set. As you can see, like nice orange themed nails. I've literally been feeling orange lately, so I found these and I'm like, and who doesn't love a zebra print? So that's another one. Obviously 3D flower, very on trend right now, so I'm feeling a 3D, and I really do like this drops here. So yeah, I'm gonna do something along these lines and let's see how it turns out.
Starting off with a nude base, so I'm applying this on my thumb. I'm gonna apply it on my pinky and pointing finger as well. So this would be the base for my French tips. When it does go over the nails, just use a mix of alcohol and acetone to wipe it off and keep applying. Guys, ignore my voice. Honestly, I've been so ill and I needed to record this video, so I was like, I just have to record with my ill voice. So yeah. And then now I'm going in with orange on my middle fingers, and this is so hot. Like, I've been loving orange, like I said before, and I needed to just get this on my fingers. Look how bright that color is. I believe this color is from Beetles gel polish, and just wiping it off with acetone, you know, the sticky residue, and then applying a second coat on all the nails. If you guys do end up trying out this look, make sure you tag me at SZNBEAUTY on Instagram, or send it to me, DM me. I'd really love to see it. And the other thing I was going to say is, if you are using a nude coat as a base for your French tips, try to use a color that's closer to your skin tone. Obviously mine's a bit darker because I'm brown, but it'll give you a nice flush look. Going in with the French tip, I do a line. I hope this makes sense. It's better to just watch and see how I did it. But there's so many ways to do French tips, and I found this is the best way to do it. There is times where I actually forget to use this method, but I've also realized that this comes out more accurate, you know, drawing like the geometry lines and stuff. What have you guys been doing this summer so far, and what are your plans? What are you focusing on? What are you looking forward to? Let me know in the comments. I would love to see what you guys are getting up to. For myself, I've just been focusing on myself. I've been being more creative and trying to really be more consistent on here, which has been so hard before, but right now setting the time and prioritizing YouTube and making sure that I am making content has been like at the top of my list. So I've just been so consistent with it, and I hope and I pray every day that it stays that way. Yeah, so that's so far it's been my summer. I haven't got anything like fun coming up, probably just like let's say, you know, concerts here and there, seeing family, pretty much. Going in with a mix of acetone and alcohol just to wipe off the little smudge on the pinky French tip. I'm applying clear matte top coat on the middle finger and the pointy finger. Sorry, the camera is off frame, like my hands are off frame. It's just because I didn't realize until after, so I do apologize. But using my Mylee eyeshadow palettes, this is a sunset one, I believe. I'll put everything in the description, so check that out, and use my code SZNBEAUTY_15 for some money off when you do shop at Mylee. I'll also put an affiliate link in the description. So I've just applied some nice bright colors, so the yellow, the orange, and a bright red for this look. Look how pigmented that is. It's so gorgeous. Love, love, love. Guys, so I realized that you have to firmly press it down. That way it can actually blend and stay on and just appear as, you know, pigmented as it does. I am applying clear top coat on the pointy finger because that would be a different look. And then I'm going back with the matte top coat for the middle finger because again we still have more to do. And here it is. You can see I'm basically drawing a circle around this middle fingernail so you can make it pop as well. What you guys think so far? Are you gonna try this? Please, I would honestly love to see it. I'm so feeling summer colors, so I might have to do another set, maybe acrylic set of summer colors, using summer colors, and also just like something fun, something that you can easily recreate as well, or show your nail tech to do for you. For one of the other middle fingers, I don't know, is this like an index finger? I always get it confused, but I am using solid gel just to start out, you know, mini balls of solid gel. Apply that, well, I've placed them all on the nail, and then now I'm just molding it carefully into like a flower shape. And yeah, this is my first time using this one as well. I think it's for Makartt, I think. Anyway, everything will be in the description, so just check that out. I think this one's from there, unless it's from somewhere else, but I'll have a look. And I'm just going over with matte top coat over the flower just because I wanted to go in with the yellow eyeshadow, you know, pigment. So far so good. I'm loving this, how it looks like, and I'm just applying more more pigment on it so it's bright and you can see it from far. Dust it off. I'm applying matte top coat again because the design that I'm going to do after this, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We'll be using chrome, so I'm just outlining the flower with a mix of black gel polish with clear polish. So I mix them all on a palette and then I'm just applying it on the edges of the flowers. I will then cure this for 60 seconds. I usually cure mine for 60 seconds. I know some people do it for 30 or maybe more or maybe less, but mine usually works at 60, and both of these ones are from the gel bottle, I believe. After it's cured, I will be going in with a chrome pen which I got from Mylee, and I'm just going to wipe it all on top. It's turned out so good, guys. I was just making this setup as I go. I'm not even joking. I showed you guys the inspo and I was like, I'm gonna let my brain do what it wants to do. I swear, like, this chrome thing just came up when I was actually doing the nails. I just wanted to elevate it, and I was like, how else when it's simple but it's still like effective. So yeah, I did that, and I've added some mini balls, or mini like gold balls, so applied that in the middle of the flower. This is more of a like a thick gel, and I believe it's from the same place, Makartt as well. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, oh gosh, oopsie. I'm honestly just a girl, please, and I'm ill, so I can't even think right now. So I'm applying that, and then I thought about it. I wanted the French tips to, you know, the fingers to look a bit more something. Like, I just wanted to give them a bit of more oomph, tie it all together. So I did add mini gold balls on both of the French tip nails, and then I'm gonna cover it all with clear shiny top coat. And yes, even the flower, clear shiny top coat, apply that all on top, going through all the nails, just applying shiny top coat. I usually go in with a fine brush just to go over the edges to make sure, you know, all the shiny top coat is there, it's sealed in. And then I also apply shiny top coat over the 3D lines just to give it that shine, because sometimes it goes rubbery. Here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Will you be giving this a try? Let me know in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.